Hi, today I will show you how an app called iTop VPN works. Regardless of the reasons, maintaining your privacy while spending time browsing the internet is important, especially in today's online realm, where malware of all kinds and unwanted eyes wait just around the corner. Nowadays VPN clients are the common approach for such problems, and one such program is iTop VPN. Offering a truly simple experience, it will provide users with an accessible way to easily protect their privacy every time they venture online. The VPN client is characterized by a quick installation process and even faster initialization, which leaves nothing to be desired in terms of preparation time. This means that users can enjoy its features more quickly and worry less about any special setup steps. Bonus points right there. Speaking of less worries, the same goes for the actual connection, since the app will automatically match your PC to a certain server around the world, thus making the process even faster, without the need for any special intervention on the part of the user. Last but not least, the client comes with two extra features. 1. To cut off any internet connection if the VPN is unexpectedly disconnected, and 3 modes for your network connection, to optimize it for your preferred experience. If you want to stay anonymous while browsing the World Wide Web, this minimalist VPN client can solve the problem for you. Due to its ease of use and non-intrusive behavior, it can be a reliable tool for such uses. The version represented in the video is the free one and is limited in the number of servers available. However, it is always reliable and I recommend it to everyone. See you next video, and now some music.